How to download BeamNG Drive on your PC. Hello everyone, welcome to the video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to be showing you guys a quick and easy way to download BeamNG Drive on your PC. But before getting started, I want you to head down below to like the video and subscribe to the channel. So the first thing you need to do is have the Steam application on your device. If you don't have it, you need to go ahead and open up your browser and search for Steam download. Hit enter, open up the first link that you see, and once you get to this, you just have to tap on install Steam. And once you do that, it will download an installation file and you can install Steam from there. Now once your Steam is successfully installed, what you need to do is make sure to log into your account. Now this will be your home screen. You just want to head over to your store and then home, and on the search bar you're just going to search for BeamNG Drive. Now once you do that, you will be able to see it. Go ahead and open up this BeamNG Drive. And once this is open, you will find this application right here. Go ahead and scroll down. You can add it to your wish list, or you can just, if you want to know more about the game, you can just scroll down. So once you find the game that you want to download, you can just click on add to cart like this. Now if you want to access your cart, you can directly do it from here and go ahead and view on my cart, and make sure that this is selected for my account, because if this is selected as a gift, you could give it as a gift to your friends. So make sure this is selected for your account, then click on continue to payment, and you will have to select your preferred payment method. So I'm just going to go ahead and click on PayPal. Now if you go ahead with PayPal and click on continue, you just have to enter all of your details. But if you want to do it with something else, you can just go back here, click on continue to payment again. And then if you want to pay it with any of these options, go ahead and click on Visa card. Here you have to enter all of your billing information, like your card number, your expiration date, and all of these details. Click on continue and you should be able to find your game on your library right here. That's pretty much it. I hope you found it helpful. I'll see you guys on the next one.